finally here, the Sigma 56 F1.4. We're gonna go and take a look at it, do an unboxing, and do some quick tests. Stay tuned. If you don't know me already, I go by That One Camera Guy. I do tutorials, guides, and reviews on Sony mirrorless equipment and gear. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest content. So this is an unboxing of the, well, you already know by the title. This is the third lens lineup in the Contemporary series, kind of their revamped fast prime lenses from Sigma for APS-C and also for Micro Four Thirds. A very exciting lens. I have here the 30 f1.4, very popular lens choice for those of you looking for a fast wide prime. And then we got an even wider prime lens here, which functions as sort of like your 24mm f1.4 with a 35mm equivalent. This one's a really nice lens. I absolutely love it. My favorite APS-C lens, but it could change after today, taking a look at the 56 f1.4. So let's go ahead and dive into the unboxing. All right, so I went ahead and actually opened it up already on our live stream, the Monday live show. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you do. It's every Monday, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It runs between my channel and also Jason Bong's. So, but I haven't opened it intentionally, like inside the actual package. But anyway, here it is. It's the box, the 56 f1.4, a 55mm filter thread, Contemporary series. The sides are about the same. If you don't know what this delineates, that's actually the year it was released. So 2018 is that information there. Now, with respect, this is a 67mm filter thread. This is the Sigma 16mm f1.4. And then this one here has a 52mm filter thread. This is the Sigma 30 f1.4. So if you take a look, this came out in 2016, 2017. This is their 2018 lens. So very interesting. I wonder what their next one's going to be next year. Let's go and take a look. So again, I got this from B&H Photo. Here's all of the information with the warranty and information about the lens, which no one cares too much about. It's not too exciting. And then let's go ahead and take the lens out. Here we go. There's the casing for it. Sort of want to retain this. And then let's, whoa. All right, here's the lens hood. I'm not sure where the lens hood went on the other ones. I'll have to find them later. But here we go. There's the lens hood. Plasticky in feel, slight different texture feeling on this part of the lens hood there. And there we go. It's very light. It's not incredibly heavy, which is good. It's a good sign. But here is the lens. Let me kind of scroll through it slowly. There's the 18, see my 2018 there. There's the information on the lens. If you take a look. Let's take the front cap off. There you go. There's the front element. And here's the rear element. Let's take a look at that. All right, let's go ahead and pair it side by side with the other ones here. So if you take a look at the sizing, we've got the 56, the 16mm in the middle, and the 30. It seems as though the 56 is actually the shorter of the two, the three. And if you take a look, it's really compact. Let's go ahead and pair it up. So I've got a Sony a6000 right here. Let's take a look here. And we can even throw on the hood. Well, let's see without the hood. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and pair it up. I got another, it's the a6000 over here. Here you go. Here's a size comparison between the two. So 56mm f1.4, definitely much lighter combo than the other one there. And then let's go ahead and swap this out with the Sigma 16 really quick, so you guys can go ahead and see what that looks like too. So there we go. Whoa, all right, there we go. The 56 is definitely a lot lighter and smaller, more compact. Let's go ahead and throw on that lens hood there. There we go. There's the lens. If it'll focus, there we go. Very nice setup, very light. But there you have it. This is the 56 f1.4. I've got it on a white colorway Sony a6000. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can test out the autofocus really quick here. Let me throw it onto my other one. All right, here we go. It's a pretty low light environment in my room. There's a little bit of lighting around. Let's go ahead and drop the shutter speed a little bit here. Let's go ahead and set this to autofocus continuous. Ooh. Ooh, that's a little slow, guys. Let's see here. Okay, a little better. Focused. Focus. Just know that my room is fairly dark and I'm shooting in AFS mode. So I'm going to get a chance to go ahead and test this out at a Christmas parade a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and shoot with it. I'm also going to test out the video autofocusing, see how well it's doing in terms of it being able to go back and forth with a different subject. So I'll give you a chance to see that. But other than that, that's the unboxing for the Sigma 56 F1.4. I'm very excited to try it out. I'm going to do some comparisons with the autofocus to the Sony 50 F1.8 OSS, as well as the Zeiss 55, and even the Sony 50 F1.8 full-frame lens, and do kind of a head-to-head. Maybe look at the image quality, look at the autofocusing speed and performance, and see which one really comes out at top. I know it's a mix of full-frame and non-full-frame lenses, but I'd be curious to see what options are out there for you, especially if you want to be on the APS-C camp. Let me go ahead and throw it in on an A7R3 really quick and see how the image circle looks like in APS-C and full-frame mode. You know, on a full frame, the vignette isn't terrible. I mean, it's noticeable, but it's not the worst thing in the world. Oh, wow. It might actually be usable in full frame mode. Take a look. Now, if you go ahead and push it in, if you take a look on here, let me go ahead and clear all this information there if I can. There we go. You can kind of see the dark areas around the edges. It's not too bad in full frame mode. If you punch into crop censored mode, take a look, there it is, back into crop mode. So it's a very interesting setup. Definitely going to test it out. It might even be usable on a full frame camera to some degree if you're willing to take in a little bit of a vignette on the edges. Now, if you stop it down, it's really bad, but at 1.4, it's not too bad. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that in the upcoming video when I review it. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we